Continuing from the last vlog, if you guys are following me, I had just entered Chandigarh's bird sanctuary. And if you guys have not seen that episode, which I'm sure you have not, you can do that by clicking the above link. And as far as right now, I'm inside this huge cage just built for keeping all sorts of water birds. And I admire this place. It's huge, decorated with fountains, waterfalls, and all sorts of plants to keep things going for these birdies. But hey, a cage is a cage, and I don't support it, whatever be the case. Anyways, since I'm already here, I would love to show you guys around, unless this lovely couple let me pass. Now, this part of the sanctuary is dedicated to the regular birds, but what I can see mainly are parrots and parakeets. And if you guys see straight, little far behind, you can see a blue macaw right there. I was just about to exit the sanctuary and I saw this canteen. So stopped for buying a water bottle and captured this moment. As next day is 15th of August, people have started celebrating already. And in my case, I am expecting myself to be in front of Lal Chowk in Srinagar. Right now, I'm walking towards my last destination that I'll be visiting in Chandigarh, that is Sukna Lake. And sadly, it is already dark enough for my GoPro as it has stopped stabilizing the video and is giving blur image. and we are finally here. In the upcoming vlog, I'll try to cover the walking path along the lake shore as much as possible. And until then, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.